Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. On today's menu is this creative dessert inspired from the Dubai chocolate trend. It has layers of crispy wafers, fresh pistachio butter, and a chocolate crémeux that is light but decadent. Hit that notification bell if you enjoy my videos, and let's get into the kitchen. First up on the prep list is the vanilla wafers or tuiles. So separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Then you're going to whisk the sugar and the egg white together in a mixing bowl until dissolved. Whisk in the vanilla and the flour, and finally the melted butter until you have a very smooth batter. Next, you're going to evenly dollop the batter on a sheet tray lined with a silpat. Then you're going to smooth them out into a large disc and bake them in an oven set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for around 7 to 10 minutes or until dark golden brown. As soon as the wafers are done baking, you're going to cut out the discs into even circles with a round pastry cutter and remove the edges for a clean, symmetrical wafer presentation. Next is the pistachio butter. Pour the pistachios into a blender with a pinch of salt and avocado oil. Blend this on high speed until creamy, but still with a bit of texture. If you want it smoother, continue to blend until it's a pure pistachio butter. Now it's time to prep out the chocolate crémeux, which is a very basic custard that has chocolate folded into it. Simple and super decadent, but make sure to use good dark chocolate around the 70% cocoa range if you can. Using a double boiler, whisk together the cream, sugar, vanilla, and egg yolk until it reaches 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to stir in the chocolate and remove it from the heat. If you want to cool this mixture down, quickly stir it over an ice bath for a minute or two and it will start to thicken up immediately, leaving you with a very creamy textured chocolate. Lastly, you're going to whip up the heavy cream with sugar and vanilla until you have a soft whipped cream. Just as a note, if you're whipping by hand, use the biggest bowl in the kitchen to quickly incorporate air into the cream. It works like a charm for cordless whipped cream on the fly. Once everything is ready to go, start assembling the dessert by stacking the wafers with the pistachio butter layered in between each one. Once you get to the last one, dollop or quenelle the crémeux on top, then top that with the soft whipped cream, a final drizzle of the pistachio butter. Trust me, there really is never enough in this recipe. Then a garnish of shaved chocolate and raw pistachios to finish. This whimsical dessert can be switched and shaped for loads of different variations and really does bring out the kid in you when you see it on the plate. Like always, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you enjoyed the recipe, and drop a comment letting me know what you thought. Until next time, stay creative in the kitchen, and I'll see you with another recipe. Later, folks.
Wow.